Hello, good evening. It's a beautiful evening here in Jamaica, coming from Yallahs, here in St. Thomas, Jamaica. Welcome back, guys, to another video. Yes, it's another country lifestyle, guys. And why am I here in this video? I am here to continue with this, guys. This is where I left you guys the last time. Yes, we are here to continue, guys. So this is the coast kill right here, guys. We are here to continue, guys. Don't forget to always like, subscribe, share this video, also comment as well, guys. Drop your comments if you really like this video, and also reach out to me on Instagram, which is Jamaican World Travel. Thank you so much, guys. My country lifestyle starts now. Yes, guys, I need to get some bush and put over here. I managed to chop some over here already, so I'm gonna take it and match it up, guys, you know, and see what I can do. I could do it while I'm on the video here. I don't want to hold the camera, it's a bit complicated, but I'll put on top here like this, and then what I'll do, because we got the zinc around it as well, guys, so what I'm gonna do is put some bush, still put some bush in it as well, even the zinc is there, just to secure it a bit. So I'm gonna drop some green bush down here to take that off a bit, and then we'll get some bush around here as well, guys. We don't have to be very to the bottom, because we already got the zinc to protect it already. It's not going to be easy, guys, but it is what it is. Let's do it. Don't have to make anything stop anything, just do it. Right. Okay, so the dirt is going to go on here, guys, so this will need something to hold this, but once the dirt get on it, it's okay. So if anything, I can just draw some more down here. Well, this one is not making it easier for me, is it? But not to worry. I'll put some stick to hold him while I'm doing it. So I'll get some weight and put on it, and that will be alright, guys. I'll try and get some around here as well and dirt up, but just remember the spot to light it. Must always leave that for last, guys. Anyway, let's continue and get some green bush around here, guys. We need to get some green bush around here and just fix them up again, guys. Yes, guys, I managed to put all the zinc around it. The bush is all on top now. It's still going to need bush here, but just remember here, guys, that we have the spot here where to light it, you know, right underneath here. The duck on this nest is going to go, guys, and then it will be lit underneath the bottom here. So that will be a stick to push as much as I can underneath, guys, you know. So I'm going to light the duck on this nest first from the outside, and then I'm going to slowly push everything underneath. So everything will lit from here, and then push everything right underneath it. But first we need to get some dirt to start the process here, guys. It's not going to be an easy task. This is the hardest part of the task, guys. Yes, it's the hardest part here, guys. This is not going to be easy. I really need a fork. If I have a fork, it will be a lot easier for me, to be honest with you. It will be a lot easier, but anyway, let's see what I can do, guys. So you're not going to get to see this on the camera, because I don't want to hold the camera, guys, with me digging. So I'm going to see what I can dig up here. Let's skim all these off, and get ready to use some of this dirt, you know, and put around it. It will be nice to put some stone around it, guys, you know, because I do it different, you know. But where can I get stones? I think some stones was over that side. Okay, let me go in there and see if I can get some stone and put around it. I mean, that could go on as well. Yeah, let me try some of that as well. Let's see what I can do, guys. Yeah, let's continue through the video. See, guys, see the dirt is coming on, guys. See, starting to put the dirt on it now. Yeah, but it's still a long way to go, guys, because everything has to cover the dirt. It's not going to be easy, but I'm just using water to help me, guys, you know. So right here now, got to get some dirt and put right here to keep this bit in now. Yeah, so let me quickly do that anyway, guys. So this is the update I'm giving you from the video. So it's right out there, so I've been digging up my dirt and everything. So once I have the dirt dig, you see, but it's still nice to catch it while it's stone, guys. I really think it would need some logs and things like that to kind of buck it up a bit, you know. But this side will be the last side to cover with dirt, because that's where I'm going to light it anyway, guys, you know. So remember, we still have the inside here. Still we need to light. Yes, so it's very deep inside, guys. Yes, I'm going to light it in there anyway and get it up and running, you know. So all this is important, you know. So we need to get it burning and things like that, you know. Anyway, guys, let's continue. It's getting there, guys. It's getting there. Really getting there now. So the evening, but it's still not finished yet, guys. So I need to try and get something for around this side. I'm gonna put around it and dirt it up, guys, and then I'll give it a go and see what I get out of it, you know. It will be a burn. No matter what it is, it will be a burn. So let's see anyway. Yep, this is it, guys. Looking so gorgeous. Yes, full skill. Yes, let's get ourselves and see what we can get out of this, guys. The ants nest, guys, they call it duck ants. And that is what I'm using now to light the fire to put underneath the bottom, guys. Everything we need to do is put it right underneath the bottom there, guys. Once we have it up and going. So we don't know if this one is even light properly. I have to be careful of these, guys, because it's very cold. So sometimes I don't know if these things light, but because it is so cold, guys. The night was really cold, so that's why it's going to be a bit of a problem to light it. Yeah, it will be a bit of a problem, but anyway, let's keep trying, guys. Lots of smoke coming out of that now, guys. So I need to get the dirt and finish dirt it up. It's a lot of smoke coming out of it. Smoke don't meant to come out of it like that. It's too much. So what I'm going to do is dirt the top, guys. Finish dirt it. It's not finished yet anyway. Yeah, so let me finish it anyway and get to work, guys. But this is what it looks like. Finally, it's burning, guys. I start to dig away, you know, from the coal skill, guys. It looks like the coal is ready. So let's start get moving, guys, and let's get some coal, guys. So everything here. So I'm gonna, I have my long shovel here now, guys, to use here. I'm a country lifestyle. Yes, man, I'm gonna just take some out. But it's really hot, guys, so I need to, look at that. That is all coal, guys. This coal is all ready. So these are really good coal, guys. Look at it. Good coal. Yeah, so let's, anyway, guys, this is really hot, guys, so I need 2 hands to do this. So let's continue anyway, guys, through this video. Managed to get something here, guys, and some of them is covered with the dirt. So there you go, guys. And because I did not put enough dirt on it, well, I expect it to burn out, but it's me rushing, guys, because of the Christmas thing. I'm just rushing it, guys, you know. That's why anytime it's a time like this I rush too much, but it's okay. We're still gonna get coal out of it. At least the family can get something to cook, the turkey and things like that, and then the rest as well can just leave until whenever they push these ones back, guys. Then we're going to make a bigger scale, guys. This is just a little Christmas family thing. See this one here? You can see this one here is burning, guys. But this is still those ones I must put them out with water. Let's not waste those, you know. Those can still use to burn for another day. And whatever I get out of that, I will just take in. I know those big ones over there, I could leave them and make them burn a bit more, and then go over there and take it. But here, let me get some water and put this out. We're definitely going to need to put it out with the water. Yeah, you can put dirt over it as well, guys. You don't really have to use water. But it's me, I prefer to use water. That's just me. Yeah. I wish I had a water pipe there. It would be a lot more easier for me. Alright, let's get this bucket. Yes, guys, I still need to take some more from out there. Yes, they are really burning away, guys. So at least I managed to recover something, you know. Even if it's 2 or 3 bugs I can get out of this, I'll be happy. And I can give to the family. Remember, guys, this is not to burn and sell. This is just for the family. When I'm ready to burn and sell, you guys will get to see that, but it's not going to be on this journey, guys. When I come back, return back to Jamaica, it's going to be different. So what we're going to do, guys, is get the back oar to push all this, guys. This, I decided what to do now. So once they push, all the trees are going to come out. And then after the trees come out, I said then we get them to push it one side in the corner, especially towards this fence, to kind of block out some of my shadow, you know. So that is what we want. And then we get people to cut it up and make a scale. So we get a coalman to come and burn it, specially a special coalman, guys, that burn it. You bring the bags and you'll see we bag it up and everything as well, guys. So all that you're going to see also in the video as well. Okay, guys, so I got some coal underneath here, guys. So I managed to get some from out there with this long shovel. Yes, and right over here now, guys, we got yes, the coal over there that's burned. So some of them has been burned and some left burn, guys. So this one called the quick burn, guys. This is something that had never been done before, but this one called quick burn. And the reason why, because quick burn, because it's emergency, guys, you know. So we need to have these for emergency. So that's the reason why you see it so quick, guys. So that's why it's called a quick burn, very quick burn. So everything was quick what I do. So I don't think anyone in Jamaica ever burned coal so quick on one day. I don't think I've ever seen that. But sometimes it depends on the size of the coal scale and make the type of coal of gold. But these was dry wood, guys, so that's why I know that these could burn in one day. And you know, you'll get coal out of it, guys, but you're not going to get much. But it's kind of better to do it the right way by making it burn for 3 days. Because you see, I put some on continuous, so these ones will be ready by tomorrow. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my country lifestyle. I really appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to always like, subscribe, share this video, tell another friend to tell another friend. Thank you so much, guys. So you will see this on the next video, guys. The rain is about to fall. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Signing out from Jamaica, here in St. Thomas and Yallahs. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really a good price, you know. So come here to Marrakesh, guys. In Square Market is beautiful, guys. Look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in it. Look at that. Oh, I think he must have rocked. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. You know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.